In this video, I will show you how to send large files on Gmail. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So you're probably trying to send a large file through Gmail and for some reason it's not letting you. Well, it's because whenever you're sending a very large file on Gmail, you do have to use different features that are going to allow you to send that file. In this case, today we're going to be using Drive. So go ahead and open gmail.com and click on Compose to create a new email. Go ahead and find the person that you wish to send an email to. You can even add your subject, whatever it is that you want to send. So instead of clicking on attach files, you're going to select this icon right here that is going to open Drive. This is going to give you the option to insert files using Google Drive. You can either select a file that you already have, but in case you need to upload it from scratch, simply go ahead and select upload. Click on browse and find the video or the image or the file that you wish to upload into Drive. Of course, it depends on how heavy your file is. It can take a few minutes for your file to upload, but remember that of course it all depends on how large your file is. After a few minutes, your file will upload to your email draft. You can now add a body or a text to your email. You can even add a text. As you can see, it took a few minutes to upload the file, but I can see it right here. Now you can add a little bit of text or finish up your email, whatever it is that you need to do. And once you're ready, simply select send. Since you are going to be sharing a file that you have on your Google Drive, you need to give this person access to the file that you're sharing. So for example, I can give this person a viewer access, meaning that they're able to only see the file. I can also make them an editor, meaning that they can edit the file, or you can also make them a commenter so they can add their comments to the file that you're sharing. Select the access level that you wish to give this person and then click on send. And that's it. As you can see, I was able to send this email with the large file right here attached. Hope that helped.